Hello guys, it's the Real Foodie Chick. I'm going to show you how to make my 7th Heaven Peach Cobbler. Melt your butter in a preheated oven at 350. Combine all of your dry ingredients. Combine all of your wet ingredients, minus the lemon juice, and mix well. Add cinnamon and stir. This will be your batter. Set to the side. Remove the melted butter from the oven and let it cool. Next, you're going to add your peaches, your lemon juice, your sugar, 1/4 cup, and cinnamon. You're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes or until the peaches are glazed. Remove from heat, pour batter into melted butter. Then you want to go ahead and add in your glazed peaches. Bake at 350 for 40 minutes, top with ice cream or caramel. Remember to follow me on Instagram at The Real Foodie Chick. Also on Facebook at The Real_Foodie Chick. Hope you guys enjoy.